Forgetting to call next in Express middleware is one of the most common mistakes that will hang your entire application. Let's see what next actually does. In Express, middleware functions execute sequentially in a chain. When a request comes in, it flows through each middleware function one by one. The next function is what passes control from one middleware to the next in the stack. If you don't call next, the request response cycle stops dead in its tracks. Your request hangs, your response never gets sent, and your user is stuck waiting forever. Think of next as the baton in a relay race. Without passing it, the race never finishes. Here's a powerful feature. You can pass an error to next. When you call next with an argument like next error, Express skips all remaining regular middleware and jumps straight to your error handling middleware. This is how you centralize error handling in Express apps. Let's see a real example. Imagine you're building authentication middleware. First, your logger middleware records the request and calls next. Then your auth middleware checks if a token is valid. If it's valid, call next to continue. If it's invalid, call next with an error to trigger error handling. Finally, your protected root handler runs, but only if all previous middleware called next successfully. This sequential flow is what makes Express middleware so powerful and composable. Remember, next is the control flow function that keeps your middleware chain running. Call it to continue or pass an error to trigger error handling. Master this, and you master Express. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.